In this question, the numbers of points scored by Dwayne Wade in the first 12 games of 2012-2013 NBA are listed below. So we want to know what is the mean, what is the median, what is the range, what is the standard deviation, and what is the variance of the collection that we have. So we basically wanted to know what are the numerical characteristics for this data collection. We're going to use our calculator. So to use your calculator, first you need to enter the data into calculator. You're going to turn on your calculator, click on Stat. So first, enter the data into L3. Now I'm going to use a new column. I'm going to use L3. So click on Stat. Make sure it is on Edit. And then enter. Take a look. My L1 and L2, they are all have some other data in them. I'm going to go to L3 and enter everything in L3. So I have 29, enter, 15, enter, I have 14, I have 22, I have another 22, I have 8, I have 19, 6, 28, 18, 19, and 34. Very good. So I entered everything here. Now I'm going to go to Stat and then make sure I use the arrow key to go to Calc. So now I am in Calc, one variable statistics. You only have one variable, so make sure you know it is on one variable stats. Hit enter. The list must be L3. So list must be L3, but it is L2. To change L2 into L3, you need to click on second and 3. Second, 3 gives you L3. Second, 3, second, 3 gives us L3. Frequent list must be empty. Then do the calculation. Very good. X bar, or the mean of the sample, is 19.5. What else we see? We see S sub X, which is the standard deviation. S sub X is standard deviation of the sample, which is equal to 8.27. We have the minimum score as 6. We have the first quartile, which is 14.5, and then we have the median or second quartile, which is 19. So median is 19. We can find the maximum, which is located here, 34. Maximum is 34. So what is the range of the data? Remember the definition of range. Range is the maximum value minus the minimum value. You already have the maximum, you already have the minimum. So the range of the data is equal to 34 minus 6, which is 28. So now what is the standard deviation? Standard deviation is 8.27, but what is the variance? The variance is equal to standard deviation raised to the second power. You need to take your standard deviation and multiply it by itself. So the variance is equal to 8.27. I'm going to just do the calculation here. 8.27 times 8.27, which is about 68.39. This is the variance. The variance is not very useful. When it comes to calculating the measure of variability, we prefer sample standard deviation or population standard deviation rather than having variance. It's not that preferred.